In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create our first React Native app. Now, since we're using Expo framework, we're going to create using Expo. Now, we create by typing this following code. Remember, I told you these codes are in my book, npx create-expo-app. Don't forget to include the dash expo app. At latest. Now, what this latest is telling us that you want to use the latest dependencies from Expo, then the name of the app. Now, in this case of our app, we are going to create a fintech app called Bia Bank. So we're going to type in the name of the app, Bia Bank. Now, if you notice the way I typed the name there, I typed each word with a capital letter, each word begins with a capital letter. Now, this is common programming practice because most of the time spaces are not allowed in programming. So type each word with capital letters, or you separate them with a dash or underscore. And this particular one I did now is called camel casing. Don't worry about it now. So talking about classes, when we start talking about variables, we're going to throw more light about how to name stuff in React Native or programming in general. So after typing this, we click on enter. Now once you click on enter, it's going to run for a while. Now this might take a while also because of your network or based on your system properties. Now if you ask the question like this, you ask if you want to create the Expo app, this version 3.5.1, and okay to proceed. Now you ask why. Why means yes. So if you tap Y on your keyboard, you're actually answering yes. Now in the case where you see N and Y, N means no and Y means yes, so you choose the appropriate app option. In this case, we choose Y and press enter. So it's going to run for a while and you'll download all the dependencies required for this project. Now, for the sake of time, we're going to skip this. I'm going to come to the end, pause this recording, and come when it is done. Now, as you can see, our app has been created in this particular folder. Now, I want to navigate to the folder where this app was created. Now, notice that when we said create app, it creates a separate folder with this name of the app we created. So we're going to use cd. Remember what cd does? Change directory. We want to change to the directory where our app is. So we're going to press cd Bia Bank, right? That's we want to navigate to the Bia Bank. And you press enter. Now, once you press enter, it's going to navigate you to the folder where we created in your command prompt. Now, let me show you something from the other side. Hold on. Now, if you navigate to your file explorer, right, just where I did from your taskbar, now go to this PC, right? I want to open the drive C to check it. Now, if you click on the drive C to open it up, you're going to see the Bia Bank folder. Now, that's the folder of the app we just created. Now, once you execute that command, it creates this folder for you with all the dependencies and all the apps that are all the dependencies required for this particular app. Now, we're going to open it up to see what's actually inside that folder. Now, you can see all these files here were downloaded. We didn't create any of them. Were downloaded by the app, by the command you created. So this is how you create your first React Native app. Now in subsequent classes, we're going to understand this better. So for now, see you in the next class.